Hi, welcome to Learn Domain. Today we are going to discuss about what core banking system is all about. As you all know, to manage back-end operations of any of the banking or financial institution, there is a core banking application which plays a vital and important role in any of the financial or a banking or a financial institution. To make it very simple, core banking nothing but it's a kind of standard of IT solution wherein a central state database supports the whole banking application from the backend perspective. Whatever the customer related information to manage customer related informations. At the same time, whatever the activities, day-to-day activities of a financial institution which will be continued, all these things comes under core banking. Normally, this core banking application have three different layers. The first thing is front-end layer, central server, and backend. Front-end layer applications, nothing but the kind of mobile applications, whatever we see, mobile banking, or is the kind of internet banking, phone banking, branch banking. All these things comes under front-end applications, wherein you will be having a central server which will coordinate between backend and front-end. At the same time, when we are talking about backend applications, it's completely the back office operations of a bank or a financial institution by managing large scale of data, which will be stored under the data warehouse. At the same time, whatever the card systems banks and financial institutions uses, either it could be debits or credit cards and all, ATM switch, all that. So all these things are the layers in a core banking system. So if you want to understand core banking system, wherein to understand in terms of the layers itself, will be divided into three parts. One is front-end applications, second is central server, followed by back-end applications here. Now, when you try to understand a core banking architecture from the high-level point of view, this is how generally a core banking architecture looks like, wherein it has different key functionalities. Something like the first one is called CASA, which is a module of core banking system, which supports multiple accounts, including savings, current, recurring, and overdrafts. At the same time, the kind of system featuring an accounting analysis capability and specified controls provides facilities such as flexible services, charges, and fee options. A variety of interest accrual and payment methods, credit and debit interest on the balances, cash management, standing instructions, and fund transfers as well. When we are talking about standing instructions and all, standing instructions are highly essential banking services, which are referred to the customer orders for scheduling regular transactions and all. Core banking system effectively automates the process of payments, collections, and accounts to account sweeps, as well as variable payments among their other things. When we talk about the term deposits, the core banking system process various operations like term deposits, account opening, redemptions, renewal, interest, maturity, processing, etc. The type of term deposits handled by the system including cumulative deposits, non-cumulative deposits, deposit certificates, denominated deposits, all that stuff. These deposits can also act as a collateral for OD facility, enabling the placement of liens against loans and mortgages. The system can be used for maintaining multiple streams of deposits with different amounts of different maturity characteristics under a single custom account. This makes it possible to top off a deposit itself in future. When we talk about the interoperability with other systems and all, where an enterprise class in entire architectures are designed with interoperability in mind, whereas different J2E application servers and similar middleware acts as a bridge for linking diverse systems in a heterogeneous environment through standards such as web services, all that. In terms of the standards based on the interoperability empowers you to orchestrate seamless integrations between web applications and legacy systems, as well as the customer, partner, and supply systems. The core banking system ensures that your application interoperability will nearly any feature needs to be added into the future. When we are talking about document management, this document management option provides an ability to place key documents online for reviews by staffing or clients as necessary. It also offers a centralized secure document repository which allows scanning from any Twine complaint scanner and facilities review on the back office workstations and cloud browsers with necessary permissions. So these are the basic understanding about core banking architecture is all about. When we talk about the modules of core banking on a high level, wherein you will be having branch management, which manages all the branches, all that stuff. At the same time, you will be having a corporate management. At the same time, omni-channel deliveries, followed by trade finances, etc. So these are the different modules which are there under core banking. So this is what the whole understanding about the core banking system, core banking layers and all everything is all about. If you have any questions in regard to that, or else if you require any sort of training in reference to core banking, all that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.